Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
All right, welcome back everybody. And if you can tell, maybe you have to look real hard, but we can see the mountains today. So that's improvement of our air quality out there. It's 69 degrees to start our morning. I'd much rather be outside right now than in the studio because it's really cold in here right now. It's warmer in Great Falls as well, 71. Can guarantee you it's warmer out there than it is in the studio. 12-mile-an-hour southwest wind this morning. That's helped with the air quality a little bit, that increased wind speed blowing the smoke out of here. But we still are dealing with a lot of large active wildfires, especially in central Idaho and western Montana, a little bit of eastern Oregon as well, dealing with some fires. That is producing a lot of smoke. So we will be dealing with the smoke today, but tomorrow our upper level wind pattern switches out of the northwest. So that is going to blow all of the smoke down towards the south. So southern Idaho here, northern Utah, even parts of western Wyoming will see the heavy smoke. At least here in Helena and Great Falls, we get a little bit of a break, thankfully, because the air quality has not been very good over the past few days. It is improved this morning. The worst of it is in Seeley Lake with unhealthy for sensitive groups. Everybody else in western Montana is pretty much in the moderate category. A little bit of smoke has made its way into eastern Montana as well. Air quality alert extended through tonight for a lot of western Montana, but I expect this will go away tomorrow as we do have that wind shift. So, wildfires in our state, Sherritt Creek Fire. Still 2,300 acres burned, almost 2,400 acres burned. Evacuation order still in place for around St. Mary's Road, so make sure if you have any loved ones out there, contact them, make sure they're in a safe place as that fire is rapidly spreading. Ratio Mountain Fire, 1,100 acres burned, 22% contained. McElwain Fire is still the same as yesterday, 50% contained, but we do have an update on the Marsh Creek Fire. That has grown to 88 acres. This is on the border of Powell and Lewis and Clark counties. No containment on that just yet, and there are no active firefighters on the ground on this fire. This is being fought mainly through the air because this area has a lot of downed trees, a lot of dry timber, so the Forest Service and the fire departments there have deemed it unsafe for firefighters to work on the ground because there's not a lot of places to escape out there. So that is why there are no firefighters on that fire currently. So we are getting a little bit of rainfall this morning, which will help some of the fire activity. Rain shower we were looking at on the Helena Cam, that's over the Big Belt and Little Belt Mountains, was through White Sulphur Springs and Showdown. That is to the north towards Geyser now. A little bit further south, the Beartooth of Zorka Mountains, Yellowstone National Park receiving some light rain as well. We are dealing with a severe threat today, level 1 out of 5 for this afternoon. Gusty wind and small hail are the main threats. So we will see thunderstorms pop in southwest and south central Montana around 2 o'clock today. They'll last through the afternoon and into the early overnight hours, but we will start to see that coverage diminish as we lose the instability of the daytime heating. Tomorrow, we'll have a cold front that pushes southward that will generate a little bit more thunderstorms in eastern and central Montana. A thunderstorm might reach as far west as Helena and Great Falls, but it will be isolated in nature, and then we will dry out for the remainder of the week. So today, low pressure through 70s and 80s for our highs. We'll slowly rise back up in temperatures. After this work week, we should be in the upper 80s to even possibly the low 90s for the weekend.